In this video, we're going to see how you can add a countdown timer to your WordPress site using Elementor like this. So to add the countdown timer, we need to install the Elementor Pro plugin. So click the link below this video and purchase the plugin. Once you get it, install the plugin on your website. Once you do that, go to the page where you want to add the countdown and click Edit with Elementor. Here, search for countdown. Now drag this and drop it here. And click here. Now to set the countdown for a number of days, click due date and set the date. Or if you want to run the countdown timer for limited hours, select evergreen option. Let's select this and enter the number. Now to adjust the width, go to Style tab and drag this. Next click here. Select the color you want to add and click Update. Now if we go back to our site and click refresh, you can see that we have got the countdown. Now to import a pre-made design with the countdown timer, just click the plus icon and click here. Now select this design and click insert. You can see we have got the design. This is how you can add a countdown timer to your site.